everybody, and welcome to the Van Build series, where we take our Sprinter van and convert it into a camper. Step 1, we remove the window grates off of the windows. Step 2, we removed all the fleet numbers and everything else that said American Red Cross. Step 3, we removed the partition between the drivers and the cargo area. It came out in a few pieces with a couple of bolts. Next, we worked on removing the floor. It came out in a few pieces as well, and underneath was some sound deadening material that we had to remove. And underneath the sound deadening material was a lot of gunk that had to be cleaned out. Next, we installed a radio. We put in an Alpine head unit and put in wiring for 2 additional speakers. And next, we filled in all the holes because the floor was riveted in. And then we laid out our design in the van to make sure we had space for everything. From there, we worked on our van model and designed everything that we wanted to have in the van in SketchUp. If you want a more in-depth look at this, take a look at our video, our van model tour of our 3D model. The next step we did is I had to take the radio back out because I realized that in order for the radio to work properly, I had to have the parking brake wiring in there. At first, I didn't think it was necessary because it wasn't in the car harness to begin with, so I had to add it in extra and run a wire underneath the floor. The other thing I did while the radio was out was double check the polarity of the extra speaker wires that I had run, and I marked each speaker wire with positive and negative to make sure that everything was in sync when we hooked up the 2 extra speakers that the wiring allowed. And then I had to put everything back together and get the head unit back on the radio. The next step was fixing the door latch that had broken on the sliding door on the side. It had a little small plastic piece that had snapped over the years of use. Then from there, I took the panel off the door so I could better see what was underneath. The next step was adjusting the door and getting it to close properly. Before, you'd have to slam the door and hold your tongue just right to make it close. In the next episode, we go into detail on how we do all the bodywork that goes into the van. Everything from sanding to Bondo to primer to paint. And finally, a good looking van.